is actually the physical action of hijab, because I'm chasing after the little boys. So sometimes I trip. Sometimes I'm trying to change a diaper and the hijab is in my face. And sometimes I'm just hot. I just feel like I'm outside and it's like 105 degrees. And I'm just like, Allahu Akbar. I just wish I could be feeling the wind, you know? And in those moments for me, I just think like, Ya Allah, give me better in paradise. Put barakah in my life because of this struggle and give me better in paradise. Like, I think about how worship is so beloved to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If it's easy, that's so beloved to Him. But how much more beloved is it to Him that you still do it and you just struggle with it? Like, you really have to love someone to keep doing it, even though it brings you so much frustration or whatever it is that you just feel like, oh, that's anxiety. You just take that into dua, just pouring all that emotion into dua. I'm like, oh Allah, give me better in the hereafter. Bless my loved ones because of it. And let me see the barakah of your worship.